Hey guys, Satya here. Today we'll discuss about two things in Selenium. So if you are working already in Selenium project and you would be using dependency, based on your building tool, whatever you're using, maybe it is Maven or Gradle or some other building tool. If you're using in your project, then you would have seen these two words, Selenium HQ and openqa. And yeah, some people get confused about these two words. So that is what we'll discuss today. So Selenium HQ. So let's say like you are using a Maven or any building tool in your project, and what exactly you need to do? Let's say you're using with the Selenium with Java. So you will go ahead and you'll try to get that uh, you know Selenium Java dependency. You will search it and you will be using that. Let's go here. So it is a Maven repository, central repository, and you will go to a version, which version you will be using it, and you will just copy this and you go to your project, and in this dependency section, so you will be copying this dependency, and it has, sorry, just a minute, yeah, so it has this group id, artifact id and version, and these things you will be using here, and you're good to go. So when you build currently here this is Maven, so when you build this Maven, so it will download this dependency, whatever the dependency details you provided here, the Maven will download from the central repository into your system, and you can use the Selenium Java project or the library in your code. So that is what it is, right? So now we'll discuss so what is this Selenium HQ and what is openqa, right? So Selenium HQ. So when you're saying Selenium HQ is nothing but a group ID, right? You can see here in this group ID it is mentioned Selenium HQ. So what is this Selenium HQ? What is this group ID? So group ID is nothing but one group name, or maybe it is defined by one person, or it is defined by an organization, right? So it is a base name defined for all Selenium related libraries. So all the Selenium related libraries will go into this group ID, right? So in the hierarchy, in the all across all dependency, it is easy to identify that okay, this is the group, and in this group we'll have all the Selenium related libraries. Now if you go ahead in the same thing, if you see here, yeah, let's go here, org Selenium HQ, you can see here Selenium Java you want to download, or you want to use Selenium API. There are many libraries, right? So all will be there in this org Selenium HQ Selenium. So this is a maybe it is an organization. I'm the Selenium HQ. So based on the organization name, it is given that group name. Okay, and whenever you use that, so in this Selenium HQ, our project is Selenium Java, right? And of course version you would be knowing it already, right? So artifact id is nothing but unique project name under a group. Like if you want to, under this Selenium HQ Selenium HQ Selenium, if you want to download the Selenium API, when you download this dependency, the project name will be, or you can say the artifact id will be this one, right? Selenium API will be the artifact ID for Selenium API whenever you download that one. Similarly, if you are downloading this one, Selenium Java, then artifact ID will be Selenium Java. And this one where you can see, so I'll show you when you put this in your Maven project and you build this, right? So you will go ahead, right? So you will go ahead to your M2 folder. So here exactly the by default the Maven, all the dependency it will download here. You go to repository, and so what exactly where it will download, you need to go to this group ID. Okay, that is what I've shown here. You need to go to this group ID, that is org Selenium HQ Selenium, right? So let's go here. So this is the repository. You need to go to org, then Selenium HQ, then Selenium. Okay, now in this Selenium what we are using, let's assume that we are using 4.1.1. so you need to, so in okay, just before that you need to go to this project. So it's the project we are using is Selenium Java, so you need to go to Selenium Java. Okay, this Selenium Java we are using. So this is all like I'm existing project. I already using the different versions, right? So that's why it is showing this, or else what currently in this example we are using 4.1.1. so I need to go, this is 4.1.1, and whenever you build this project you will get this jar created. So that is what, if you are using, if you are not using, so now you are using this Maven, the POM file, and we are putting here, right? If you are not using any dependency, I mean the build build tool, then build management tool, then in that case, like manually in your Java project, manually you have to attach that, this jar file you have to include, so that you can use that, right? So that is what is Selenium HQ. Now what exactly is openqa? Openqa is nothing but the package name. So inside, so this project you got it, right? So this project is what exactly, this jar is what exactly, what it has, it has exactly your Java code, right? And whenever you have a Java code, then you will giving one package name, then you define your what do you call, the classes and all, right? So that is what here. So let's say this is a test class, and in this test class, right, in this test class you can see here, wherever you are using, so any class or interface or any method, any code related to your Selenium dependency, whatever the library you have provided, if you are using anything, it will come from org openqa Selenium, right? So this is the package name, it is given inside that project. What is that project? The project is Selenium Java. In this Selenium Java project, this is the package name, right? And in this package name, whatever like interface, classes, and whatever the Java related stuff you have defined, it will be there. So now if you see here, you can see here, you just mouse over it, you can see here it is showing org openqa Selenium. From this it is coming, and inside this, in this package, one interface is defined, which is WebDriver, and that WebDriver, I mean, of course, like we are creating another like object of Chrome driver and storing as WebDriver instance, right? Now if you see here, this one also Chrome driver, this is a class where it is present, it is also present in org openqa Selenium. Then again the package further it extended to some other structure, but it is present always in org openqa Selenium. Now how to say this? If you go here, just go to this and go to declaration and uses, it comes here. Now you can see here, you can just do this, you can see here it is showing this. So this is the WebDriver class, you can see here org openqa Selenium. Under this is the WebDriver interface, it is present here, and the WebDriver you can see here, it is under that package, it should be under that package org openqa Selenium. Similarly, if you go here Chrome driver, right, this is the Chrome driver class, you can just highlight this, you can see here this is the Chrome driver class, and it is present in org openqa Selenium Chrome, right? So this is what this is nothing but your what do you call, openqa. Openqa is nothing but the package name, okay, present inside the dependency or the project whatever you are using, and this dependency is coming from this group ID. So that is what Selenium HQ, you can say it's a group name for all the Selenium related dependency, and openqa is the package name, right? So yeah, so that's all for this video. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.